Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best tankless gas water heater you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tankless gas water heater on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which tankless gas water heater are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bosch ES4 Tronic 3000 water heater. The Bosch ES4 tucks under a counter or inside a cabinet and plugs into a standard wall outlet to provide all the hot water that sink will need. It can also be plumbed in line to supplement a separate tankless water heater, taking some of the load off of it, an especially useful feature to help supply high-demand fixtures far from the tankless heater. The Bosch Tronic 3000T point-of-use electric mini tanks are available in 3 compact sizes, which can be wall-hung or floor-mounted. They fit easily under a sink, even in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Thick CFC-free foam insulation for maximum energy efficiency, glass-lined tank for durability. Water heaters are compact and lightweight and can be floor, shelf, or wall-mounted, features a sleek and attractive design to blend seamlessly with decor. For details, let's watch more. Our second best tankless gas water heater is Hi-Cru Portable Propane Water Heater. Hi-Cru's portable, propane-powered water heater combines the luxuries of home with the ruggedness of camping. The built-in pump is placed into a water source and attached to a propane tank to provide ongoing hot water for camp showers, washing dishes, and rinsing equipment. Powered by AC/DC electricity, the Hi-Cru Portable comes with a hand faucet and shower head attachment, as well as some welcome safety features. An integrated panel on the main unit lets you monitor water temperature, ignition status and safety cutout while the heater is in use. Adjustable faucet flow and low-high heat knobs provide further temperature control. Use the shower head to take a hot, refreshing bath in any setting. The adjustable attachment features distinct spray patterns perfect for showering, washing tents, rinsing equipment and more. No more complicated equipment or hookups. With our portable heater, all you need is a bucket full of water, a small propane tank and any compatible power source. Never worry about potential fire or overheating with built-in auto safety shutoff, which turns off the gas burner once water reaches 125 Fahrenheit. The unit also has a tilt switch, water flow sensor and fuse protection. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is EcoTouch Tankless Water Heater. This small but mighty EcoTouch more than suffices. On the one hand, it boasts a flow rate of 1.5 GMP and 30,500 BTUs. On the other, it delivers a 99% efficiency rating, meaning that almost no heat is lost between the water heater and your shower, faucet, or other fixture. All the while, a self-modulation control monitors the water temperature to avoid fluctuations between hot and cold while the fixture is in use. Applied with 9 kilowatts heating system, the electric tankless water heater Eco 90B supplies instant and endless hot water of 116°F or higher temp, no waiting for preheat nor temperature fluctuations, perfect companion for sinks, bringing you perfect experience of comfort and relaxing. The on-demand electric water heater Eco 90B adjusts power input based on flow rate and temp setting in real time. As water flow reduces, power input decreases, thus you still get ideal, comfortable temp instead of scalding hot water. Optimal energy efficiency 99.8% saves considerable electricity charge per year. Featuring microcomputer control and patent heating technology, Eco 90B electric water heater promises no cold water sandwiching. And a unique heating element avoids any corrosion inside pipes so as to extend service lifespan. Applied with multiple protection devices, every piece Eco 90B tankless water heater goes through strict tests to ensure 100% safety. Inner water and electricity lines are designed to run separately so as to avoid leakage or harm of scale buildup. Fourth recommendation in our side is Stiebel Eltron Tankless Heater. The Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus Tankless Water Heater features exclusive advanced flow control German patented technology invented by Stiebel Eltron to automatically maintain water temperature for constant comfort. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity to ensure that hot showers will never be interrupted. Tempra 36 Plus will typically use 15 to 20% less energy compared to conventional electric tank water heaters. Although, it's possible to save significantly more energy depending on personal home usage habits. The difference is that conventional tank water heaters continually store hot water, and as a result, lose 15 to 20% of the total energy consumed to the environment around them. Tank water heaters that use gas or oil are even less efficient, because they also lose heat through their vents to the outdoors. Our tankless water heaters do not need venting, and will not store hot water, waiting for you to use it. Last in our top 5 best tankless gas water heater list is Rheem Artex 18 Electric Tankless Water Heater. A 240-volt tankless water heater is the solution for a lot of homeowners who don't have gas service at their house and, for whatever reason, propane is impractical. This Rheem appliance weighs only 8.5 pounds and is roughly the size of 2 laptops stacked on top of each other, so it can be installed on a small wall area and wired in an unobtrusive way with size 8 AWG wire. Its self-modulation feature detects water flow and adjusts its power output to meet demand, saving electricity. This water heater offers quick, continuous hot water that is on demand for single point of use or multiple applications. Robust copper immersion heating elements with brass top increases durability and are threaded for easy replacement.